Hello everyone and welcome back to the Millionaire House. Today's video is brought to you by Rodney Strong Vineyards. I've got some really fun ideas for pairing for you. This is video number 4 in my wine series to kick off 2018. Hoping to spark some Valentine's Day fun for you. If you need some ideas, stick around. I think I've got everyone covered with offering everything from sliders and tater tots to filet mignon. So cheers, I hope you enjoy. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mellionaire House. Rodney Strong Vineyards sent over some amazing wines for me to share with you just in time for Valentine's Day. So today I'm going to give you a few pairing ideas. They sent over a lovely Rosé of Pinot Noir, they sent over a Sauvignon Blanc, and they sent over a Cabernet Sauvignon. Now at the end of the day, enjoy your wines with whatever kind of food you like. But if you're looking to create an overall experience, consider some of the things that I'm going to share. And the way I like to remember what to pair with what, to keep it simple, is like this. Rosé loves appetizers and hors d'oeuvres. Rosé is a combination of the light and airy part of white wine and the elements of fruit in red wine. So it's all combined together, and what that means for you is that it combines well with all sorts of different foods and textures that you're most likely to get with appetizers and hors d'oeuvres. Next, I like to say that acids love acids. So any foods that are high in acidity that maybe you would squeeze lime or citrus on will pair well with a wine that's high in acidity like a Sauvignon Blanc. And finally, I like to say that tannins love fat. So any foods that are high in fat, like certain cuts of steak or duck, or even dark chocolate with a little salt sprinkled on top, combine and pair very well with a bold red wine like a Cabernet Sauvignon. So now I'm going to get into sharing some recipe ideas with you. The Rodney Strong Rosé of Pinot Noir offers some lovely aromas and flavors of strawberry, white peach, and jasmine. You can enjoy this rosé with anything from goat cheese and fresh seafood dishes to summer salads and strawberries and chocolate like you see here. How sweet is it that the Rodney Strong Charlotte's Home Sauvignon Blanc is named after his wife Charlotte. The 2016 Charlotte's Home Sauvignon Blanc offers a delightful balance, richness, and aromatic complexity. It pairs perfectly with everything from vegetables and soft cheeses if you want to keep it light, or a variety of seafood dishes like the grilled salmon that you see here. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, then you watch us on Sundays cooking live for you, and you know that my husband, affectionately known as Benjamin Buttons, is quite the chef. So head on over to the blog at themillionairehouse.com if you'd like details on all the recipes that we are featuring in today's video. And who said Valentine's Day dinners had to be fancy, right? As I said earlier in the video, tannins love fat, so this blue cheese slider that you see here would pair perfectly with the 2014 Knights Valley Cabernet Sauvignon. You guys know I'm a cab girl, and the Knights Valley from Rodney Strong is my favorite from this vineyard. It offers multi-dimensional layers of spices and mocha chocolates on your palate and is framed up in rich, velvety tannins with a long, lingering finish. You can really enjoy this cab with anything from dark chocolate with sea salt sprinkled on top, to leg of lamb on the grill, to duck, or you can enjoy it my personal favorite way, which is with a filet cooked medium well and a cast iron skillet. And this is just a little sneak peek of a recipe that he's been using for years. He makes my steaks perfectly for me. He's using a little butter and olive oil and garlic and fresh parsley and lemon zest. And that goes on top of the steak. It tastes absolutely amazing when he's done with them. Like I said, all the details are over on the blog at themillionairehouse.com. To finish it off, he pops it in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes, and it comes out so tender. I can't even describe it. You just have to try it yourself. So please let me know in the comments below if I've inspired you in some way to pair your favorite wines with different foods, or if you have some other ideas that I didn't cover today, please feel free to share the wealth. I'd like to extend a very sincere thank you to Rodney Strong Vineyards for sponsoring this video. Wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day. As always, love and peace.